good day. A really good harvest, third full harvest if you like, from this plant, or these two plants, this tub at the front. And I think we've most probably got another 2 harvests still to come on here. These have really performed well this year, and as you can see, the plants are looking pretty healthy. What I am going to do now though is give the tubs a weed, and then I'm going to top dress with some of that pine wood chip that we took the other day, which is sitting in my wheelbarrow at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to get on and weed this. This is the tub with 2 plants that I was working on and harvesting from. So yeah, good thick mulch on there now, a couple of inches. Same on this one, though this is one which we've had, you know, it's not looking anywhere near as healthy. There's still growth on it, but look how anemic it looks. And I think I'll be cutting it back down to here, and then cutting these dead bits off. I think I'm mostly going to do that now. It's you know, it's clearly struggling, so better sacrifice these at the top and take this down to here so that it strengthens. But this one, I don't know why. I think this is this one blue crop? I've got a feeling this is blue crop or jazz, and it really seems to have suffered this year. Well, it has, you can see, compared to the one next to it, or the 2 next to it. But yeah, maybe it was that cold over the winter. Maybe this variety isn't quite as hardy. And then here is another one which we just don't know what variety it is. This was on the plot when we got here, and I dug it up and put it into this tub. So we've got 3 tubs of blueberries, 2 of which are doing well, or 2 tubs are doing well, and this one here isn't. So yeah, I'm just going to prune this one back. That'll do. I was about to say what a lovely afternoon it has become, but then I went off to speak to somebody about a plot here, and on coming back it's really sort of become quite overcast and grey now. But that's fine, that's fine. I'm going to be going home shortly. I've done the blueberries, so I'm happy about that. Cut that blueberry back, which I'm really pleased about. You know, seeing dead wood doesn't help in any type of situation. So yeah, doing that was good. Few harvests, so blueberry harvests and cucumbers and rather large courgettes. But that will be fine for, what's this one going to be? Courgette and lentil soup, this one's going to be. And I've also been gifted a huge bag plums, small plums, but absolutely delicious. Really, really are. That's, I mean, that's a jam making weight, really. I don't think I'll get round to making jam, though Richard does like plum jam. I suppose I could prep them and freeze them. No, I'm not going to do that. We're going to eat them. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to stew them up, I think, and we will have them, or, you know, a portion cold with yogurt. That's what I'm going to do. And I will put some into jars. I may freeze some, but actually we're going to eat them. So I'm not going to make jam. Not going to make jam. Don't need the additional sugar on my waistline, basically. Right, I'm going to leave it here today, and I'll be back either, it may be tomorrow. It's Friday afternoon now. Tomorrow we've got a work party. We're going to be doing some work in the paddock area. We're going to be doing some work on cutting back, clipping back hedges. So not cutting at the moment, so being very wary of birds that may be nesting, and also tidying the communal shed and the area outside the communal shed, because it needs a really, really good tidy. So yeah, I'm going to see if I am back here tomorrow afternoon. If I am, I'll do a segment of a week at the plot. If I'm not back after a hard morning grafting down here, I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.